Hey there friends, let's talk about lips. So meet the limited edition Buff and Glow Lip Duo. It is a very simple two-step routine that leaves our lips soft, smooth, and naturally glossy. Step number one is a lip scrub. Boy, it has some awesome ingredients, including natural sugar crystals to buff away dry, flaky skin. Oils like jojoba, sweet almond, shea, meadow foam, and macadamia that nourish and condition our lips, while it also has green tea and vitamin E to give us antioxidant support of that delicate skin. A little bit of natural vanilla extract also gives it a subtle natural scent that I love. And the results when you use this are instant, smoother lips ready for hydration. And that's where the lip oil comes in. So this one is jam-packed with some awesome ingredients. It is lightweight. It delivers some deep hydration with sunflower and castor oil, papaya seed oil that brightens our lips with natural enzymes, and apricot and almond oils soften the lips. It also has plant-based collagen and peptides to support fullness and elasticity, and probiotics that help strengthen our skin barrier. Now, another ingredient that I think is really neat is the capsicum resin. And what that does is it gently warms up and tingles the lips to boost our circulation. And then what happens is we get plumper lips for a fuller look that helps flush out some of those fine lines and wrinkles. This also has a light vanilla scent, which it makes it feel and smell absolutely amazing. Now, both of these have a clean, safe formula. They're dermatologist-tested, vegan, and free from parabens and phthalates, free from mineral oils, and also synthetic fragrances. So I recently ran a test group and I want to share their feedback with you. The first participant was 24 years old. She said the sugar scrubbed smoothed away the dryness. The oil left my lips plumped and hydrated. Our next participant was age 43. She said it smoothed rough skin, gave a natural flush, which I loved. And this feels so much better compared to the harsh plumpers that I used to use. Our next participant was age 48. She said the oil made her lips soft, shiny, and subtly plump. She said, I love it. Age 69 participant, the scrub smells amazing, the oil tingles nicely, and hours later, my lips still felt soft with more color. Our last participant was age 72. She said, at my age, I need products that work. My lips felt soft, smooth, and comfortable. There was no heaviness and no stickiness. Now, I have also been using this for the last several weeks. I use it about 3 times a week. And what I've noticed is significant improvement in the softness, but also the texture of my lips. I'm going to insert a picture of my lips after my first use, and so you can see the before as well. So how to use this duo, super easy. The lip scrub, you're just gonna use a tiny little bit. You're gonna massage a tiny amount on the lips for 20 to 30 seconds. And then wipe it away with your Norwex body cloth. And you're gonna wanna use this 2 to 3 times a week. Now next is our lip oil. You're gonna shake that too before you use it, or take your fingers to roll the product around. And then you're going to apply a very thin layer. Now you can use this after the scrub, you can use this daily, whatever works for you, and you are gonna notice that gentle plumping. So why I love this duo is honestly, it makes a great gift. It's perfect for teens, moms, sisters, teachers, or anyone who deserves a little pamper. Use it just a few times a week and the oil every day if you want. That will make your lips feel hydrated, smooth, and kissably soft all season long. I hope this video was helpful.